Hello friends, welcome to my channel Kidiez World TV. I hope you all are fine and we are here with another very interesting and very amazing cute farm animal videos. In our background we have today very beautiful big farm animals. Lots of cute farm animal. You can see the beautiful cow, we have cat, we have horse. And horse is such an amazing farm animal. We ride on horse and we have this white bull here and we have this cute rabbit. So this video is gonna be very interesting and very educational and learning video. So watch till end. So let's start the video, and our first animal is Rooster. Rooster is very cute little beautiful farm animal, and Rooster is available in so many colors, and Rooster can be found almost every village, every city, every country of this world. So that's a very populated farm animal. Let's check out the next one. And the next one we have is cute cow. Cow is such an amazing and wonderful big cute farm animal. There are so much benefit we get every day from this beautiful big farm animal cow. And the main is the male, the main source of energy. Cow. Let's check out the next one. And the next one we have is mouse. Mouse is a very little farm animal who has a big tail, and this mouse, as you can see, is very dirty in the mud ground. So we will wash him, we will make him clean, and we just did. The mouse is clean. Let's explore the next one. And the next one, oh wow, we have a cat. Of course, cat will follow the rat, and we just clean the rat, so it's the cat turns now. But this cat is very dirty. Let's wash him. Here we go. The cat is clean. Let's check out the next one, and the next one we have is dog. Wow. Very lovely and adorable farm animal dog. Also comes in pet animal. Let's clean this dog. Here we go. The dog is clean and happy. Let's check out the next one. And the next one we have is a sheep. Wow. In winter we wear jackets of wool, and this wool came from sheep. So sheep is a very useful and beautiful farm animal. Let's wash him. Here we go. Sheep. Let's check out the next one. The next one we have is goat. A very beautiful and a medium-sized farm animal, but very funny and very energetic. Goat. Let's watch this goat. Here we go. The goat is clean. Let's check out the next one, and the next one we have is a bison. Bison is a very big farm animal. He has two curvy honks and he is very dirty. Let's wash him. Here we go. The bison is clean. Yay! Let's check out the next one. And the next one we have is donkey. Wow! Donkey is amazing and so cute farm animal. And he is very much dirty. Let's wash him. Here we go. Donkey is clean. Let's check out the next one. And the next one we have is camel. A very big size, two humps, big farm animal. Camel. That's amazing. Let's wash him. Oh wow, here we go. The camel is clean. Let's check out the next one. And the next one we have a rabbit. Wow. Very beautiful and adorable little cute farm animal. Rabbit is so amazing. I just love this little farm animal. Let's wash him. Here we go. The cute rabbit is clean. So here is the rabbit. We just clean him from the mud. And the next one we have is a horse. A very beautiful and big farm animal horse, which is also a best friend of humans. And we ride on horse, and horse is a main companion of a farmer. Horses are so good and so big. Here we go. The horse. And in last, we have a beautiful white bull. Amazing, guys. Just look at this suited, booted bull. Look like he's going on some party. So let's wash him and let's make him clean. Here we go. The bowl is clean. Amazing, guys. Just look at this beautiful farm animal. So this is it from today. Let's check out our mud ground setup. We have made all this for you guys so you make much fun in our videos. So here are all the rest of the animals. Like the video, subscribe the channel, and thank you so much for watching the show. Take care friends. Have a great day.